Hey y'all, and welcome back. And for those of you new here, welcome. If you've been following me along at all, you know that I'm in the process of starting a food trailer, and I'm working on the menu. And Smashburgers are going to be the main focus. So I've done some Smashburgers in the past, and we're doing varieties of Smashburgers. Today I'm going to try a Cowboy Smashburger, see how it turns out. As you see here, I got some basic ingredients for some Smashburgers, but I got a few other little odd end things that are going to make it unique to this type of burger. Now, I'm really excited to really try this burger out. I've seen variations of it. Of course, this is, is there really any new recipes out there? I don't know. There's a lot of variations of it. So I kind of went to the store, picked some things out I thought would be good on what I would consider a Cowboy Smashburger, and we're going to see how this goes. Now, I went ahead and fired up the griddle. I got 2 burners on high, 2 burners over there on low. Now that's one thing I love about having a 36-inch griddle. I can have different temperature zones. I can have one side on high, one side on low, and I can cook the way I need to cook different food items. Speaking of that, let's go over the griddle now and see if it's ready to cook. Now, the very first thing I'm gonna do, because this Smashburgers won't take long at all, I'm gonna go ahead and toast these buns up, and I'm gonna use mayo to toast it. Let me know if you like the mayo or the butter, or do you use anything when you toast your buns. So put a little light coating on the bun, put it down. I'm gonna do the same to the bottom side. I'm gonna be honest with you, I wasn't the biggest fan of using mayo. When I first seen it, I'm like, butter, how can you beat the butter? Tried the mayo, I love it. That's why I toast my buns now, almost all the time. Not every time, but almost. And now these jalapenos, I wanna put a little char on them too. So I'm just gonna throw them down right there. Well, except for that one there. Let's get you back over here. Now, it shouldn't take long at all to get a little toast on these buns, get a little char on these jalapenos. We were ready to make some Smashburgers here in a minute. So I'm just gonna come in here now and just kind of flip these jalapenos around just a little bit. Might move them more toward the center, kind of get them cooking. It's only been about a minute or so. Let's check on these buns, see what kind of toast. I don't want to burn them. Let's check them though. Oh, that looks good. I love that toast right there. Good enough right there to me. I don't know about y'all. Let's take these up. Okay, the buns are up. Let's go ahead and mix these jalapenos up a little bit and start doing Smashburgers. Starting to get a little char to them. Just a little bit. So now, we got to get these Smashburgers going. So what I'm going to do is on the hot side over here, like I said, I had this side on high. Little trick I learned from CJ, I'm going to try out. I say I learned it, I'm going to try it. Kind of let it sear a little bit on one side, then we're gonna flip it over and then smash it. See if it don't stick to that smasher. But in the meantime, let's check on our jalapenos over here. Yeah, they're starting to get a little char to them. Looking good. Now, I don't know how long we're supposed to let these Smashburgers kind of char on one side. Let's see if we can flip them over. Kind of give them a little flip here. Bring it back to the center. Do the same with this one. This one did good. Get all the meat back over here. Yeah, got a good little char on top of them. So now let's smash them down and see what they do. Hope this works. If it does, I'll save a lot of money in parchment paper. Well, I'll be dang. Look at that. Look at how perfect that worked out. Let's try this one here. What do you know? It worked. Thank you, CJ. You saved me a lot of money in parchment paper on that food truck, buddy. Right now, we got to season these patties. I mean, you don't want no plain burger, do you? So grab up some Blackstone bootleg burger and let's add some flavor. Don't be stingy with it either. Man, these burgers sure are smelling good. And tell you what, they are ready to flip already. And so now to flip these burgers, I like to use a wide spatula. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can come in here with a little smaller one and kind of scrape it up, get all whatever. But the point of it is, you want to get up under it and get that sear to it. That's where your flavor is at. So you get it, see how it's kind of stuck to the griddle? That's what you want. Flip it, look at that. Perfect. A little more seasoning on that side ain't gonna hurt, I don't think. And now we gotta add some cheese. I'm using pepper jack today. Let's check on these peppers while we at it. They're looking good, just about where I want them. Man, look how that cheese is melting on these burgers right here, but look at the char and the crust on the Smashburgers. Speaking of char, check out these jalapenos over here. Man, this coming together good. And y'all, just like that, these burgers are done. I bet these burgers ain't been cooking 2, maybe 3 minutes. I mean, it does not take long for a smash burger at all. Let's go ahead and take them up, take them jalapenos up, and get over here and build us a burger. Oh, this is gonna be good. Come on. So, I mean, that's how quick smash burgers cook. They're really, really quick and easy, but there's so many ways you can make this. And that's kind of what I'm going for on this food trailer is variety. But let's go ahead and build this burger. So I'm gonna start off with my buns here. I think I'm gonna go with some shredded lettuce on the bottom. Then we will go with a patty. Go with another patty. Yeah, I'm gonna make this a double. Make it a double like that. Now, here's where I kind of do how I want to build this thing. So let's see, what do I want to do? I think I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce on it. Now this is Duke's Tennessee Smoke and Whiskey. I love this stuff. If you have a favorite barbecue sauce you like, by all means use it. But I'm loving this stuff. Let's go ahead and just get some on here. There we go. Let's see what we want now. I think let's add some jalapenos on here. Gotta add a little spice. Gotta have some spice to yourself. Yes, sir. This is pretty much a whole jalapeno. So, hey, I ain't gonna hold back. I'm gonna put the whole thing on there. Let's see. Let's do some pickled red onion. Why not? Why not? Don't think we need a whole lot of that on here, but either way, well, I say not a whole lot. Let's just kind of spread it around, see how it goes there. Man, that burger's looking good right now. It really is. Crispy fried onions. Gotta have the crispy fried onions on here. Gotta add a little crunch to it. Sprinkle those on there. Now this is gonna be a good burger. And that's looking good already. Right there. Y'all gotta see this thing up close. Look how this burger right here is coming together. Maybe I should have added some more cheese to it. I don't know. But I believe it's gonna have a lot of flavor going on in this burger right here. I say we top it off and try it out. Well, it's time to crown it. There we go. Man, that is a pretty burger right there. Now I gotta get a few little thumbnails, take a couple pictures of it, make it look all pretty, and then we're gonna try it out. Okay, I got my thumbnails, couple little shots around. Now it's time to bite into this thing. And I'm gonna tell you, that's a massive burger. I mean, look at this burger. That's huge. We're gonna try it though. We're gonna pick it up whole. Man, look at this, look at this. Ain't nothing left to do but just bite into it and see how it turns out. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah. This burger's gonna be on the menu. The flavors on this. I mean, you have the Smashburger flavor coming through instantly. The bootleg burger seasoning, perfect with this. That pepper jack cheese is what the cheese I prefer on this. There will be options, but I'm gonna recommend the pepper jack. The crispy onions add a crunch, another texture, to the flavor, and the crunch of the texture of the burger. The red onion, I think the pickled red onion really works well on this burger. And that toasted bun, this burger came together beautifully. I love how this turned out. I love the flavors, how this is working out. This is definitely going to be on the menu. And I did make a double today You know, of course, there'll be singles, doubles, maybe even a triple. I don't know. Let me know out there if you think you can handle a triple burger of one of these. But with that, I got to finish this up because this is really, really good. And there'll be more food trailer updates coming soon. Working on all that. Thank you for asking. I really appreciate all the interest in it. There's a lot more coming with that. So stay tuned. And with that, we'll see you next time. After staring at the... And that's one thing I love about my 36-inch griddles is I had